Welcome to EPG Pathshala. My name is Dr. Neeraj Agarwal and I am Assistant Professor in University Institute of Hotel and Tourism Management, Punjab University, Chandigarh. I am presenting lecture on module titled Customer Relationship Management in Hospitality under the paper titled Food and Beverage Service Operations and Management. First of all, we look forward for the objectives of the module. The first objective is to understand the importance of customer relations, able to differentiate types of customers, know how to develop customer relationship. Firstly, starting up with introduction to customer relationship management. Earlier, doing business was quite simple, easy, but due to advancement in communication, the scenario has completely changed. New strategies have brought a big revolution in the business world. It evolved new strategies and technologies to compete in business, thus making it proactive instead of reactive. Customer relationship management refers to relationship with customers. The customer relationship management works on three principles: protecting the current customers, fostering and tracking new customers, and increasing the asset value of all the customers. High-end software technology has changed the perspectives of the business. In hospitality industry, business depends on good relationship with customer. Nowadays, the expectation of our prospective customer is not limited to best products and services, rather they want to get exactly what they want within the stipulated time. The relationship with the customers provides stability in today's competitive market by creating strategies to build up and maintain the relationship with customers. The ultimate focus of an ideal customer relationship management system is to increase the profitability in a business. It requires centralized collection of data sources to provide real-time vision of the business, customer requirements and vision. A good CRM system eventually has emerged with an objective to increase business profits and satisfaction and loyalty among customers. It also helps to reduce the cost and investment of the business. Now, I will explain about call centers and CRM. The concept of CRM is very important and result oriented in a business. The organizations collect customers' information and make it accessible within all departments. Usually, in call centers are the best CRM tools. CRM requires a phone and a computer system to perceive the identity of the customer who is calling. Before we attend the call, the CRM system brings forth the customer details on the screen and informs us what the customer has already purchased or ordered earlier and the possible future requirements. It can suggest also the range of the products to his suitability. Not only this, it can show information about current balance for accounts department. Thus, hotel and restaurant can avail the best benefits by maintaining the CRM concept. In hospitality industry, a well-defined platform to interact with customers is provided by CRM system. It helps to build up long-term customer relationship by making the customers feel gratitude of self-satisfaction. Thus, create a bonding with suppliers. CRM system also helps in acquiring new customers and maintains all the details of the correspondence easily available. Therefore, it fulfills mutual needs of buyers and the sellers, as CRM strategies also keep on changing from time to time and from situation to situation, making it very dynamic as per the real market requirements. Stages to evolve relationship with customers. The first stage is exploration. In hospitality industry, the situation refers to when a customer investigates the capabilities and performance of the supplier. He also tries to find out the usefulness of the brand, and if the customer is satisfied, then only the relationship continues. The second stage is awareness. CRM makes a customer understand about the product a supplier is offering and also supplier's motivation behind its selling. The third stage is expansion. At a stage when the supplier successfully builds trust and faith of the customer becomes dependent on the supplier. Hence, this is the best opportunity to expand business with the customer. The fourth stage is commitment. It means to achieve goals when a supplier fulfills its commitment towards business rules and business ethics. The next stage is dissolution. It is the end of the relationship. It is caused due to sudden changes in the requirements of the customers. It can happen due to many reasons like dissatisfaction of the customer with suppliers, and consequently he encourages him to buy some other brands and products. Sometimes a supplier becomes the victim of the frauds committed by the customers. So suppliers also breaks up relationship with his customers. Thus, CRM is a two-way process. The relationship comes to an end due to broadly two reasons. The first, trust. CRM creates confidence and security in building relationships for long terms. They experience healthy relationships when the customer and the supplier knows each other. So in this way, all the risk and doubts are reduces or finished and leads to trust required for a smooth business. On the contrary, distrust and understanding weakens the relationship and the profitability conflict increase. The second is commitment. Committed relationship is another milestone that helps in achieving mutual understanding and trust. Both suppliers and customers try to maintain a committed relationship. Relationship is always a mutual and reciprocal exercise which involves huge amount of money, time and efforts in developing relationship between the customer and supplier. Thus, CRM strategies have to be customized to manage and administer the customers and vendors in a very professional manner to achieve their targets in business. This relationship is not personal relationship based on one-time transaction. Customers are the backbone of any business, including hospitality industry. He is the real boss in a deal and is responsible for the profit or loss of an organization. Customer is the ultimate user of the product and services. Thus, CRM is essential for retaining and making new customers to flourish any business. So it becomes necessary to understand the nature of our customers. For successful implementation of the CRM, we need to understand the nature of customers more meticulously in hospitality industry. Before we make the best use of CRM, it's important to understand different types of customers. Now, we will discuss about types of customers. The first one we categorize into a loyal customers. In hospitality industry, loyal customers are limited, but they promote sale and the profits. They are the most satisfied customers and they repeatedly visit the organization. It is very important to keep in touch with them on regular basis. Such customers want personal attention and expect politeness and respect from the suppliers. The second category of customers is impulsive customers. It is most difficult to satisfy these customers as they do not have any specific items to buy. They buy only when they are convinced about the productivity of the items. Handling of such customers is very challenging as they are not specific in their demands. Rather, they want to see all the products. If we are successful in satisfying them, they become a big contributor to the profit of the organization. Another category is wandering customers. They are least profitable as they are not sure what to buy. Most of the time, they are not very serious about shopping. Special attention is required to deal with such customers. They should be properly convinced to buy the products by informing them the positive features. The another category is need-based customers. They buy only specific products as they have specific needs. It is very difficult to satisfy these customers. These customers should be encouraged to buy other products also. They must be handled with care. Next category is discount customers. They are also regular customers, but they visit mostly when the organization offers discount and they prefer low cost products. These customers are related to small industries. Thus, they also contribute to the profit of the organization. An organization needs to develop different strategies to satisfy all type of different customers. Now, customer profiling for hotel industry. It is essential to understand the customer and his needs for developing a good business, and for that, customer profiling is the best strategy. It also helps in finding new valuable and retain the existing customers in enhanced profitability. Hence, CRM is one of the very important behavioral relationship techniques of marketing. In case we don't have an accurate idea of the needs and desires of our customers, we might lose our customers and our competitors may get the benefit. To avoid all such problems, a customer profiling method is highly recommended. The profile of our customers and their needs will surely enhance the business. A successful profile of our customer helps in bringing together the information about customers and the market trends for marketing and selling our products and services more effectively. An effective profile of the customer helps a business to provide services and products that are exactly as per the requirement of your customers, and hence it also improves better services to customers. It also helps in selling products more effectively and also helps sales staff in managing the deals more efficiently. Other objective is to retain existing customers and discover new ones. The profile of our customer plays a very vital role in an organization to understand its customers, their needs and their value. So, the hospitality industry must look into every possible way to attain information about customers and prepare a profile of the customer. An organization may interact with customers in many possible ways, including mobile staff, sales force, websites, call centers, email campaigns, stores, and marketing, and advertising efforts are linked up with CRM systems. The analyst collect and go through the data to get a holistic view of an individual customer and find out the area to improve the services. Now, we'll talk about salient features of customer relation management. The first salient feature is data reporting. All possible data related to a customer is entered and organized to create a database which is realistic, flexible, and comprehensive for handling a customer. A truly effective customer relation management system can be used in analyzing the existing data, as in the absence proper data it could be difficult to find behavior and requirement of a customer. After collecting all the details, it recommends various measures to be taken for the improvement of relationships with customers. To an extent, analyzing marketing data, compiling of all the possible available details, and even customer billing analysis can be used as the tool for the software used for customer relation management. The second features are simplicity. CRM application should be very simple to work on it even by an amateur. Complicated and cumbersome system will kill the motivation as it will involve more functions which can be irrelevant for the organization. So, simplicity and integration in daily use are very important features of CRM. The third feature is remote access. The use of a CRM should not be confined to a particular room or location. It will be worthless if it cannot be used from distant location by its users like trade shows, offices at far place, at customer sites. A remote worker should also be able to feed in the data from its own location. Hence, it will give organization a wholesome picture with data and relevant information at a click of button. Otherwise, CRM would perform an incomplete task. The fourth feature is mobile access. It refers to various devices used like iPads, mobiles, and other electronic devices. These devices support mobile access, but that is not enough. We require more devices to interact with our prospective customers. A service phone number is essential, and not just online help, instant chat lines are good too, said Jennifer A. Goldman. The fifth feature is integrated analytics. Collection of all the data would be useless if it is not being used analytically for the purpose of targeting consumers, selecting campaigns, and to use it to find best solutions so that best treatment strategies can be used to obtain best results, be it offline or online. Thus, another feature is stronger multi-channel support. Strong multi-channel support too is essential if mobile access is a part of it. The support has to be stronger enough and should be available on and offline both. There has to be a service phone number which can be used off and online like instant chat lines, etc. The another feature is customization and flexibility. It is necessary to customize every successful CRM solution in a way so that the organization should get maximum benefits in understanding its customers and their demands. The organization's processes are to be supported by flexible and customized CRM solution. Now, I will explain why is CRM needed in hospitality industry. In hospitality industry, the satisfaction of is considered the key to success. For maintaining success in hotels, we must never compromise with quality of the products or services. One more important factor is the reasonable price. To achieve these targets, we must constantly interact with customers so that we can understand their needs and requirements. We must analyze every interaction with our customer in an organized and systematic manner to maintain long-lasting relationship. CRM or customer relation management aims at finding new prospective customers and improving the relationship with already existing customers and regaining confidence of the former customers. All these are the prime requirement of our industry. The CRM software helps in collecting data of every type of customers, organizing it in a systematic way so that we can retrieve the information about customers when required. Implementing a CRM strategy is beneficial to both small scale and large-scale organizations. The main purpose of CRM, customer relationship management, is to help companies manage and improve their relationship with customers and increase business. Perspectives. CRM software organizes necessary information to help in managing the business. Now, we are going to discuss the advantages of CRM system. The objective of CRM system is to help companies track the current and future customers effectively so that the business of a company gets a boost. It involves every type of customer-oriented processes in an organization such as marketing, sales, and technical support. Despite the fact that an effective CRM strategy should encompass a whole range of activities, including customer-centric services and product design. It also relies on working software capable of automating, tracking, and organizing communication with customers. In every business, including hospitality industry, CRM is an essential investment. It is very easy task to create a fully integrated and functional CRM system, as the concept of creating and maintaining relationship with customers is the need of an hour. An effective CRM strategy helps companies know their customers before selling their product and services to them. The facility of ready-made CRM solution is available in every good company, but many features like still require some integration and customization to meet the specific needs of an organization. This is adding a considerable amount of complexity to existing CRM solutions on the market today. In addition to pre-packaged software, CRM providers now create specialized niche products and work towards creating a product that is easily integrated with their clients' systems. Now, we'll discuss advantages of CRM. The first advantage is better customer relationship. I always has an extra edge to remember the details about clients. It creates an impression that we really care about our clients. CRM enables us to forge a much stronger connection and a deeper relationship with our customers. The second advantage is increases team spirit. This is where many firms who fail to require their executives to use the CRM fail to reap the benefits of the CRM. The implementation of CRM software became easy and advantageous for the management team who would not learn or use the tool themselves. The another advantage is improves efficiency in serving clients. Again, the more you know about clients, the better able we are to serve them. If everyone is using the CRM to record their customer interactions, rather interaction with every client, then we are able to serve the client with the knowledge of what has been previously discussed with the client, and the results are definitely better. The fourth advantage is staff satisfaction. The more knowledge our employees have, the more empowered and engaged they would be in having accurate information about the clients. An up-to-date CRM helps employees solve problems faced by the clients. In this way, it makes employees and clients happy and better business. The fifth advantage is improves ability to understand customers. The more you know about your clients' needs and wants, the better we will be able to provide the solution to their problem and improve business. The sixth advantage is increases revenue and profitability. Once everyone learns and uses the CRM, the productivity of the company increases we have the ability to provide additional products and services to clients, and the client's satisfaction increases. The seventh advantage is cost savings. It is reported that at the initial stage, the CRM software is expensive and time consuming, but with the passage of time, the benefits far outweigh the cost. Members of the sales team are able to better organize meetings with prospects in the same geographic area. We have a central client and prospect database that everyone can access rather than everyone keeping a separate spreadsheet or contract database on their computers. The eighth advantage is less client attrition. When a client is engaged with only one member of a professional services providers, the risk of attrition is very high. When 5 or more partners are involved in a client relationship, the risk of attrition falls very low. They put up collective efforts to win the satisfaction of our customers. The ninth advantage is improves customer relations. The CRM strategy improves our relations with customers by evolving the factors of servicing, marketing, and selling our products to the customers. All these can be carried out in an organized and systematic way. We can also provide better services to customers through improved understanding, and this in turn helps in increasing customers' loyalty. Thus, we can get continuous feedback from our customers regarding our products and services. The 10th advantage is it helps in increasing revenues. The revenue of our company can be increased tremendously by using CRM to a great extent. By using the data collected, we can popularize marketing campaigns in a more effective way with the help of CRM software. We can reach new set of customers and thus effectively increase our revenue. The 11th advantage is better internal communication. A CRM strategy helps in building up better communication outside and within the company. The sharing of customers' data between different departments will enable us to work as a team, as it helps and enables better services to customers and so the profit as well. The 12th advantage is optimize marketing. CRM helps us to understand our customer needs and behavior, thereby allowing us to identify the correct time to market our products to the customers. CRM provides an idea about the most profitable customer groups, and this information helps us bring more business, and we are able to target similar prospective groups. In this way, we can optimize our marketing resources efficiently. It also saves us from wasting our time on less profitable customer groups, and we target better. Now, I will summarize the whole module. Customer is a catalyst in the success of every restaurant. A sound relationship with the customer can be developed with the friendly and positive attitude of the staff and the quality of service delivered by them. Every customer have their own needs. Being the service industry, it is important that we must understand the need of every customer and always try to come up at their expectations. Genuine interest and concern of the guest will build the relationship which helps the restaurant to get its repeat business. Explaining the needs of the guest, developing the products and services to meet their requirements, listening to their complaints and solving them immediately, considering their suggestions, training the staff for customer relationship, etc. will gently improve the customer relationship. Thanking you and have a nice day.